rain has been moving through the Bay Area. It was heavy overnight at some points. This is a live look in San Francisco. Of course, on your left, City by the Bay, 53 degrees. But what a difference in Chicago on your right. That polar vortex spilling across the area, bringing with it conditions colder than the temperatures on the surface of Mars. Current temperature is negative 20 degrees. Not just in the Midwest, Northeast also dealing with frigid conditions. 230 Americans are experiencing temperatures of 32 degrees or colder. So far, at least 7 people have died, sadly, from the extreme weather. Kari tracking that winter blast and, of course, the rain here in the Bay Area as well.
Yeah, it's just unimaginable when we talk about sub-zero temperatures. And since none of us have ever been to the surface of Mars, maybe we can compare it to what it's like in parts of the East where a lot of our friends and family are dealing with these temperatures. I want to take you to Green Bay, Wisconsin live, where our Gino Recchia is out there braving those very cold temperatures. Just tell us, for people who have never been in it, what is it like in weather that cold?
Kari, think of it initially when you first experience it. Maybe, let's say, if you're coming in from like exercising, it's a nice reprieve, but then it really starts to kick in. And when you're standing out here for a long duration, you just want to run inside real quick. Take a look at the thermostat. Yeah, it's working. It shows minus 20 degrees. And that's without the wind chill. We've got winds here coming at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. When you got temperatures that cold, you're seeing wind chill values between minus 30 to as much as minus 45 degrees. With that being said, frostbite could kick in as short of a time as 10 minutes. So that's why, as you can see right here, I'm bundled up from head to toe. Honestly, I could even wear some ski goggles right now because even the eyes are hurting. To show you how cold it is, this is a towel that has frozen over. For someone that maybe wants to go sledding and doesn't have a sled, that's a good idea to do something like that. And you've seen people throwing the hot water up in the air. Well, I put it in a water gun and you could just see that steam cool. Interacting with this extremely cold air. So that is why you want to be dressing up very carefully. There's a lot of ice on the roads. Cars are still in the ditches from Monday's snowstorm because of how treacherous it is right now. There's still a tow ban right now. So Kari, I'm a little jealous that even though it's a little bit cool for your guys' standards, it's a whole lot warmer than it is right now here.
Yeah, for a lot of people, that's just unimaginable to have to deal with that. So I'm gonna let you go so you can hurry up and get back inside. Life-threatening cold there in Wisconsin. So
sounds good.
Yeah. All right, so warm up as we talk about our next storm system that will be moving in, and it's going to bring us quite a bit of rain. We had some rain earlier this morning. Things are starting to calm down in terms of this wet weather. It's moving away from us, so we are still dealing with the wet conditions as you drive. We have several storms lining up out there in the Pacific. Another one coming in on Friday, and then right behind that on Sunday, the next storm will be here. So let's time it out for you. As we go throughout the day, we see some breaks in the clouds and mostly some dry conditions. Mostly clear skies tonight, but that may also mean some patchy dense fog. By early tomorrow morning, we see more clouds moving in, and then as we look at when the rain starts to get here we are tomorrow morning at 11 o'clock. Only some spotty light showers, and then moving into parts of the North Bay late morning into early afternoon, and by 8:30 we are all seeing some rain moving in, and it just gets heavier as the night goes on. We are still going to see scattered showers off and on throughout the day on Saturday. Sunday still raining, and then on Monday it finally moves out. But during that time, we're looking at the potential of getting anywhere from maybe 1 to 3 inches of rain, and that may cause some flooding issues, at least temporarily. We'll also have some gusty winds, so our temperatures will be cooling off, and look at how cold it will be next week. Once all of this rain moves out, our morning temperatures will be in the upper 30s, some mid-50s for the highs. And even though it will be cold in our standards, that does absolutely not compare to what they are seeing in other parts of the country. But it's good to get the rain. We'll also be talking about those high winds along with it. Heading over to Mike now, you're tracking a crash in the South Bay.
Yeah, but feeling grateful that we have a plus in